Using the Experian app is a convenient way to manage your credit report, monitor your credit score, and receive alerts. Here's a step-by-step guide to using the app. Download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Experian. Download and install the official Experian app. Create or log into your account. Open the app and log in with your existing Experian account credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one by providing personal details like your name, email, and social security number. Verify your identity. Complete identity verification by answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. Access your credit report. Once logged in, you can view your credit report and credit score directly from the dashboard. Monitor your credit. Check your credit score regularly and review your credit report for any inaccuracies or changes. The app will provide alerts for significant updates or potential fraud. Manage disputes. If you spot any errors, use the app to start a dispute process. Follow the prompts to submit dispute requests and track their status. Utilize additional features. Explore other features such as credit score simulators, financial tips, and credit monitoring tools. Select your account. Enable two-factor authentication and regularly update your password to enhance security.